Good morning everyone. I am Tamanna, student of BSc Chemistry Honours 3rd year. Today I explain the experiment of physical chemistry in which we perform conductometric titration between strong acid and strong base. In this experiment, we need pipette, titration flask, funnel, beaker, burette, strong acid, HCl, strong base, NaOH, conductometer. Theory of this experiment is the titration in which the concentration of the unknown solution is determined by measuring change in conductance by titrating it with standard solution is called conductometric titration. Principle of conductometric titration. It is a method of volumetric analysis. based on the change in conductance of the solution at their endpoint. When one solution from burette is added to another solution taken in titrating flask, the replacement of ions occur which result in the change in the conductance in the resultant solution. If the change in conductance at the equivalence point is rapid, then it can be utilized for the detection of endpoint. The reaction is NaOH plus HCl give rise to NaCl plus water. अब हम इसका कंडक्टोमेट्रिक टाइट्रेशन का प्रोसीजर देखते हैं और हम इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं वो देखते हैं. लेट सी द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द कंडक्टोमेट्रिक टाइट्रेशन. In the procedure of conductometric titration, the titrant is added from the burette and the conductivity are measured during the course of titration. The value of conductivity are then plotted against the volume of titrant. There are two possibilities. Reaction is quantitative. The measured conductivity is a linear function of the concentration of ions present. Two lines will be obtained in the case which interact each other at equivalence point. Reaction is not quantitative. The measured conductivity gives the curve near the end point and thus the equivalence point is determined by extrapolating these portion of the curve. In order to get straight line graph, it is essential that the total volume of the solution is remain constant during the titration. So, to make the total volume of solution constant during the titration, an important precaution in cell the titration is that the solution in the burette should be above 10 times stronger than the solution taken in the titrating flask. Let's see the titration of strong acid with strong base. Procedure of this experiment is: solution of HCl is to be titrated against NaOH solution. The acid solution is taken in beaker and NaOH solution is taken in the burette. The conductance of the acid solution is noted initially as well as after successive addition of small amount of NaOH solution. Acid solution is very high because it contains highly mobile H positive ions. As NaOH solution is added to HCl solution, the H positive ions are replaced by slow moving Na positive ions and hence the conductance of the solution goes on falling till the end point is reached. All the H positive ions are replaced by Na positive ions. After the end point, the further addition of NaOH introduced fast moving OH negative ions and hence the conductance of the solution again begins to increase. If the conductance values are plotted against the volume of the alkali added, the end point is obtained by intersection of lines. Result: molarity of HCl is 0.01 mole dm minus q. Let's see the precaution when we doing this experiment. After switching on instrument conductometer, it should be allowed to stabilize. Prior starting the experiment, there should be no air bubble between two electrodes. The titrant must be at least 10 times more concentrated than the analyte. The platinum electrodes of conductance all must completely immersed in the solution during the measurement of conductance. The conductance must always be dipped either in solution or in distilled water. And finally, our result will repeated Molarity of HCl is 0.01 mole Dm-3. Thank you.